In this video, we'll show you how to sign a PDF document on your iPhone for completely free. So the best part about this is that you don't need to download any third-party app. You can simply search for this preview app on your iPhone. It comes pre-installed on all the devices, but if you can't find it, you can also download it from the Apple App Store. Once you have downloaded the app, simply open the PDF document that you want to sign. So I'll just select this one. Now here you will need to tap on this pencil icon at the bottom left corner and then tap on this plus icon here. Now here select add signature. Now it will show you all your saved signature. You can also tap on this add or remove signature to add a new one. Now simply tap the plus icon and then do your new signature. So I've done mine and then tap on this right check mark. Once your signature is added, you can move it around anywhere you like. You can also resize it like this. There's even the option to edit the signature if it doesn't feel right. So you can tap on this pencil icon and then increase the thickness like this. You can also change its color from here. Similarly, you can also duplicate the signature using this option. Or you can delete the signature using this trash icon. Once you have added your signature, simply tap on this back icon and your PDF will be saved with the signature. You can then share it with anyone you like. If you find this video useful, please don't forget to like and subscribe to Glitch Guru.